Now the students, today I will start with some more problems of the exercise 15.2, that is the question number. I will start today, that is question number 6, exercise 15.2, question number 6. Find the mean and ST of the data. The data is given as xi are 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67 and 68. These are the values of x, 60, weight and frequency, that is fi. 2, 1, 12, 2, 1, 12, 29, 25, 12, 10, 4, 8, 5. Okay. So students, in question number 6, you have to find the mean and standard deviation of the data. X is given as, F is given as. Therefore, in case of Fixi, the mean will be A, that is assumed plus of sigma Fi di upon n, the total of frequency. So now what is this di? Because the values of x are large, so therefore we have to apply di method, that is di is equal to xi minus the assumed value, that is I have taken here assumed mean, that is 64. Okay, so by taking assumed mean 64, I will write the table of this, that is equal to minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so di is xi minus of 64, the value becomes minus 4, 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then in order to find the mean of this, we need fi di. So students, to make the table this fi di, what is fi di? That is minus 8, minus 3, minus 24, minus 29 and 0, then 12, then 20, then 12 and 20. See how you have to multiply the value of f by the difference, that is fi di, minus 8, minus 3, minus 24, minus 29 and 0, 12, 20, 12 and again 20. Okay, then after that you have to find its mean. So what is the mean of this? Assumed mean we have taken 64 and plus you have to write the total of this fi di. The total of fi di you have to write that the total of fi di is 0. Okay, so therefore this becomes 0 upon something, that is 0, that implies mean is 64. So students, after getting mean, you have to find the standard deviation. The standard deviation, that is sigma, is equal to sigma fi di square upon n minus of sigma fi di upon n and this whole square and this whole under root. So this is the standard deviation, sigma, that is fi di, and this I am writing here fi di. You see now it is clear, fi di I have written here, that is fi di. Okay, now see this sigma is fi di square, तो it needs di square. अब आपको di square का कॉलम बनाना है, फिर उसको उस f से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो what is di square? That is 16, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9 and 16. Then after writing di square, you have to write the column of fi di. That is next column is fi di square, because we need fi di square. So this is fi di square, that is 32 and 9, then 48 and 29 fi di square, and then 0, then 12, then 40 and then 36 and then 80. See students, multiply the value of f by di square. So we get f by di square, that is 32, 9, 48, 29, then 0, then 12, then 40, then 36, then 80. And you have to write the total of this. The total of this is 286. Okay, and we also need the total of this frequency. The frequency total is, that is 100. Okay, now what is this? SD is equal to sigma fi di square is 286 divided by 100 and minus of sigma di fi di square, that is 0 upon n, that is equal to 0, and this whole under root, and it has 2.86 under root. So this is the SD of this equation. Okay, or which comes out to be 1.69. 1.69. This is the SD of this data. Okay, so therefore, after this, I will start with the next problem, with question number 6. Then after question number 6, I will start with the next, that is the question number 8 of this exercise. Question number 8. What is given in question number 8? The class intervals are given. The class intervals are, that is 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. These are the class intervals given. And frequency is given as, the frequency is 5, 8, 15, 16 and 6. And total of this frequency is 50. Okay, then after this you have to find its mean and standard deviation for the data. First of all, we have to find its xi. What is xi? Xi splits, that is the mean of this value, that is 5 and 15 and 25, then 35 and 45. Means initial and final value add करेंगे, divide by 2 कर देंगे, we get the mean x. Okay. After finding the values of this xi, we have to find its mean. The formula to find the mean is x bar is equal to assumed mean plus sigma fi ui upon n into height of interval. This is the formula to find the mean. So first of all, we need this ui. What is ui? That is equal to xi minus assumed value. I will take here 25 and upon height of interval. That is the height of interval is 10 because the gap is of 10. So therefore you complete this as xi minus 25. This will give you minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, 1 and 2. Okay. Then after ui, you have to find fi ui. ui के बाद आपको fi ui find out करना, that is minus 10, minus 8, then 0, then 16 and 12. See here. First of all, we have to find out ui. After getting ui, you have to find its fi ui, that is minus 8, minus 10, minus 8, 0, 16 and 12. And write its sum because we need sigma fi ui. So therefore, total of this is 10. Okay. So therefore, this mean can be written as a, the assumed mean, that is 25 plus sigma fi ui, that is 10 upon 50 and into height of interval is nothing. Now this can be written as 2. So therefore the mean value is equal to 27 because 10 this cancel out, we get 2 and the mean of this is equal to 27. So this is the mean of this question. Now after getting mean, we have to find its SD. अब SD के लिए कॉलम कैसे तैयार करना है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं SD का फॉर्मूला लिखूंगा. SD का जो रिलेशन होता है वो SD दैट इज सिग्मा होता है इज इक्वल टू सिग्मा fi ui स्क्वायर अपॉन n and minus of sigma fi ui upon n and this whole square and this whole under root and multiplied by h. Multiplied by h, that is outside the root, that is h height of interval. तो स्टूडेंट्स we needs ui square. अब इस कॉलम को कंप्लीट करेंगे, हमने ui स्क्वायर की जरूरत है, तो मैं ui स्क्वायर लिखूंगा तो कैसे बनेगा, दैट इज इक्वल टू ui स्क्वायर मींस 4 1 0 1 and 4 and write is fi ui square, that is fi ui square, fi and ui square, that is equal to 20 then 8 then 0, then 16 and 24. See, find out its ui square by squaring the value terms of u, that is 4, 1, 0, 1 and 4, and multiply this by f, to be get 28, 16, 16 and 24. And you have to add these terms, and this total will be 68. Okay, this is 68. Is it clear? Now, after getting the total of this, substitute here h, height of interval, that is 10, and into under root of f I u I square, that is 68, upon n is 50, minus sigma f I u I total is 10 upon 50 and this square. Okay, just substituting the values in the formula, we get this. Now friends, this you have to solve like, that is 1 by 50 taken outside the root, and inside we have 68 multiplied by 50 and minus of, that is 1 by this taken outside, that is 100. Okay, 68 multiplied by 50 and minus of 100. So this will gives you, that is 1 by 5 and that is 3300, or you have to find its variance. So therefore you have to divide this can as 1 by 25 in case of variance. मीन्स आपके क्वेश्चन में वेरिएंस पूछा गया तो वेरिएंस इसका स्क्वायर होता है, दैट इज इक्वल टू 132. ओके, तो दिस विल गिव्स यू द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस, दैट इज 132. तो दिस इज द वेरिएंस, और अगर आपको एसटी पूछा गया तो दैट इज अंडर रूट ऑफ दिस. इन दिस वे वी कैन सॉल्व the problems of this class. Okay, now after this I will start with the another question, that is the question number next of your NCERT book, the question number 10. After this 8 I will start with 10. What is given in 10? First of all you have to make the data continuous. तो मैं इसको continuous डाटा बना रहा हूँ, इसके क्लास इंटरवल continuous डाटा में लिख रहा हूँ. The first means you have to subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. So this becomes 35 to 36.5. Okay, I am writing it in the form of continuous data. 36.5 to 40.5. Then 40.5 to 44.5. Then 44.5 to 48.5. And then 48.5 to 52.5. So this is the continuous data. First of all you have to write it in the continuous data form, that is 32 to 36.5, 36.5, then 40 and 44 and this. Then after that write its xi means by adding these two and dividing by 2, so this will gives you 34.5 and 38.5 and then 42.5 and then 46.5 and this becomes 50.5 and then write its frequency. The frequency is given as 15, then 17, then 21, then 22 and 25. So these are all terms given. Okay. Then the problem is find its mean and SD. So how to get its mean? Again the formula to find the mean is A plus sigma Fi upon n. Okay, A sigma Fi upon n and into height of the interval in case of class interval. So similarly, the last question we have to find its ui. What is ui? That is equal to xi minus of assuming मैंने यहाँ 42.5 ले लिया है and divide on the height of interval, that is 4 units. Okay, so therefore xi minus 42 point something divided by this and you will get the table, that is equal to xi is 34 minus this, that is 8, this will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now friends, after this you have to write the next column of this is FIUI. What is FIUI? Multiply this FI by UI, we get minus 30, minus 17, then 0, then 22 and 50. Okay, so these are the values of FIUI. This is minus 13, minus 17, 0, 22, and total of this, right, is total, that is 25. Okay, so this is the total of this, and the total of pencil, that is 100. Now, what is the mean of this? That implies assume mean is 42.5 plus 25 upon 100 into height of interval, that is 100. This will give you 4, that is 1. Okay, that is height of interval, means 42 and 25 upon 100. So this will gives you 1, that is equal to 43.5 is the mean of this data. Okay, students. Now after finding mean, we have to find its standard deviation. So in case of standard deviation, we need UI square. Then 4, 1, 0, 1 and 4. Then after that, we need Fi and Ui square. Fi and Ui square, that is 60, then 70, then 0, then 22 and 100. Okay, so these are the values of Fi Ui square: 60, 17, 0, 22 and 100. Then apply the total of this is 199. Then apply SD formula. SD is equal to sigma, height of interval is 4, then sigma FIUI square. First of all, write down FIUI square, that is equal to 199 upon 100, and multiply minus of sigma FIUI, that is 25 upon 100, and this whole square. Okay, by substituting the values in the formula, we get 199 upon 100 and minus of 25 upon this. Now you can solve it and get the reversion, that can be done by 100, and inside that is 19900 and minus of 25 means 625, and solve it and get the value of this. Okay, so this is the way to solve the standard deviation of the data. Okay, now after this SD, we have one more formula, that is the coefficient of variation. So students, the coefficient of variation denoted by CV, and it is defined as SD upon mean multiplied by 100. Okay, and the data which having coefficient of variation more, then will be more variable, और जिसका coefficient of variation ज़्यादा है वो ज़्यादा variable data होगा. So therefore, in order to find coefficient of variation, you again repeat the same steps. Find the SD as we used mean and multiply this by 100. So therefore, such type of the problems you will find in unit 3 exercise. I am writing one question of this exercise, and you have to solve it. The first question is class number. I am just writing question and give you the hint how to solve this. That is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and 30 to 40, then 40 to 50, and 50 to 60, then 60 to 70, then 70 to 80. Okay, and then write its xi are 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75 are the values of x. Then write its frequency. So what is the frequency? The frequency is given as 9, 17, 32, 33, 40 and 10 and 9. Okay students, this is for section A, means for group A. इस ग्रुप A के लिए आप SD निकालेंगे ऑन द सेम वे, एंड दोनों का SD कंपेयर करेंगे. इसका SD निकालना है, SD के बाद आपको मीन निकालना है. तो मैं इस डाटा की वैल्यू आपको लिख दूंगा. मैंने बहुत से क्वेश्चन आपको बता दिए हाउ टू गेट SD, तो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ दिस. नाउ after that you have to find out UI. You know how to get UI. The value of UI is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. स्टूडेंट्स उसके बाद आपको एफ आई वाई लिखना होता है. व्हाट इज एफ आई वाई? दैट इज -27 -34 -32 0 40 20 and 27, and write its total is -6, and then write its fi ui square. So after finding ui square, then ui square, you have to write ui square, that is 9 4 1 0 1 4 and 9. Then multiply this fi by ui square. So fi and ui, that is 81, then 68, then 32 0 40, then 40 and 81, and this total is comes out to be 342, and the total of frequency is 150. Okay, so this is the way to complete the table. First of all, we have to write this x for group A. This is for group A. Okay, उसके लिए x लिखा, फ्रीक्वेंसी गिवन है, ui मैंने बना लिए है, fi ui. अब इसका मुझे मीन एंड एसडी लाना है. तो व्हाट इज द मीन? The formula to find the mean is, you know, the formula to find the mean of this data is a plus sigma fi y. So similarly, what is a? That is equal to, we have taken here 45. This was the a, that is 45 plus of height of interval is 10 and sigma, that is -6 by 50. So therefore, students, the mean of this is equal to 44.6. Now find its SD. SD, that is sigma, for first data is this 10, and under root of, by substituting the value, that is 342 upon 150 and minus of -6 upon 150 and this whole square. By solving this, we get this is equal to 15.09. This is for first. Okay, फिर इसका मैं कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वेरिएशन कैसे लिखूंगा? दैट इज कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वेरिएशन इज SD divided by SD divided by mean, that is 44.6 multiplied by 100. So this comes out to be 33.8. Okay, so this is the way to find the SD of this group first. Similarly, for same way, on the same way you have to solve it for the second group, that is group number B. Therefore, for group B, you have to find its SD and mean. So students, I am writing here SD of this second group, mean is 44.6 and SD of this will be 35.02. Therefore, coefficient of variation of this second will be 15.62 upon 44.6. Okay, the SD of this is 15.62 and multiplied by 100 for data second. This comes out to be 35.02. Now this is for second, this is for first, and you see the coefficient of variation of B means you write it as coefficient of variation of B is greater than coefficient of variation of A. Therefore, data B is more variable than A. So this is the way you have to find the solution of this type of problems. So I left this exercise 15.2 for you because this is again repeating. Okay.